Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon all of you, and hello, thank you so much for watching my video. Today I am excited to share you some important information about hospital vocabulary and master medical vocabulary easily. Boost your English skill with essential medical terms and phrases. Watch, learn, and expand your knowledge with us. Stay with me and let's learn together. What is this called? Hospital. What is this called? Doctor. What is this called? Nurse. What is this called? Patient. What is this called? Medicine. What is this called? Surgery. What is this called? Injection. What is this called? Pain. What is this called? What? What is this called? Appointment. What is this called? Infection. What is this called? Prescription. What is this called? Operation. What is this called? ER. Emergency room. What is this called? ICU. Intensive care unit. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.